Hello everyone. Today we'll study about angles and their measurement. Let's see. In our daily life, we come across physical objects having two arms joined together at a common point. For example, we can see the hands of the clock. We can see in a piece of a slice of a watermelon, in the beak of bird, the mouth of crocodile, and a pair of scissors. It has an opening which is making an angle. Let us see what is an angle. The figure formed by two rays with a common endpoint is called an angle. So in the figure given below, you can see there is an angle. So it is made up of two rays, OA and OB, and they have a common endpoint as O. So this is forming an angle. We can name this angle as angle AOB or angle BOA. But we have to keep one thing in mind, that whenever we are writing a name of any of the angle, the vertex should be in middle. We'll write the vertex in the middle. Let us see the three ways how to write any angle, how to write or how to name any angle. So the first one I have told you already, that is AOB or BOA. The second one is angle 1. You can see that it's written angle 1. In place of 1, it can be 45 degree or 50 degree or anything else. Whatever the degree will be written, you have to write the degree. And the third is angle O. And what is that? How we are writing angle O? Because angle O is at the vertex. So whatever the name or letter will be written at the vertex, we can write the name of that. If V will be written, we'll write angle V. If P will be written, we'll write angle P. So similarly, in this way, we are going to write the name of any angle in this way. Now, the most important thing is, what is the symbol of angle? So the symbol of angle is this sign. So we will not write ANGLE. We will directly write angle sign, and we can write angle 1, angle 2 or anything, whatever will be there. Let us see the interior and exterior of an angle. What are those? We'll see point by point. So all the points which lie inside the angle form the interior of an angle. So we can see that 2 points, and point P and point Q, are the interior of an angle. So it is known as interior of an angle. And the 2 points are outside the angle, that is known as exterior of a point. Which is inside are interior, and which are outside, that are exterior. We have one more thing, the points which lie on the arm of an angle. So what are the points which are lying? Point M and point N are on the arm, so it lies on the arm. So point M and point M are on the arms. So we have seen three things.